Hello students, in SST Chapter 11 Important Cities. In previous videos we have learned about the 4 famous cities in India. Those are Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Now I am going to deal the exercise work of this chapter. Let's start from A. Tick the correct option. 1. Delhi is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna. 2. Pandavas named Delhi as Indraprastha. 3. The earlier name of Mumbai was Bombay. 4. The film industry of Mumbai is called Bollywood. The earlier name of Chennai is Madras. Next, B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Das is the capital of India. Answer is Delhi. 2. The Prime Minister hosts the national flag at Das, Red Fort. 3. Das are about 10 kilometers away from Gateway of India. The answer is the Elephanta Caves. 4. Chennai is the capital of Das, Tamil Nadu. 5th, public services are looked after by Das. The answer is the Kolkata Corporation. Now next, C. Write T for true and F for false statements. 1. Shah Jahan named Delhi as Shahjahanabad. Yes, true. 2. The Samadhi of Gandhiji is at Rajghat. Yes, it is also true statement. Right here, T, true. 3. The Gateway of India is a famous tourist spot in Kolkata. No, it is false statement. Right here, false, because the Gateway of India is a famous tourist spot in Mumbai. Next, 4. The main language of Kolkata is Tamil. No, it is false. F, right here, F. It is false statement because the main language of Kolkata is Bangla. Now, next, 5th, Chennai gets rainfall in June and July. No, it is also false statement. Right here, F, false. Because Chennai gets rainfall in the month of December to February. Now, 6th, Kolkata has an international airport. Yes, true. And the international airport name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Airport. Now let's do the match the following. D. Match the following. 1. Rashtrapati Bhavan in Mughal Garden. 2. Qutub Minar, Delhi. 3. Popular snacks of Mumbai, Pani Puri and Bhel Puri. 4. Famous beaches of Mumbai, Juhu and Chowpatty. Marine Drive is called Queen's Necklace. And E. Answer these questions. You have to write the question answers in your Fair SST notebook. The first one, write the official name of Delhi. And the answer is the official name of Delhi is the National Capital Territory of Delhi. And the short form is called NCT. 2. Name some tourist spots in Delhi. And the answer is some tourist spots in Delhi are Red Fort, Jantar Mantar, Qutub Minar, Lodi Gardens, India Gate, Rajghat, Sankar International Doll Museum, Zoo, Delhi Hat, Humayun's Tomb, etc. 3. Name the famous industries of Mumbai. The answer is the famous industries of Mumbai is film industry, and this industry is called Bollywood. Question number 4. Describe the climate of Mumbai. The answer is the climate of Mumbai is neither too hot nor too cold. It gets heavy rain during the monsoon. It is not very cold during winter. Next, 5th. Write names of any 4 tourist spots in Kolkata. The 4 tourist spots of Kolkata are Alipur Zoo, Ravindra Sarovar, Belur Mart, and Science City. 6. Name important places to visit in Kolkata. The answer is important places to visit in Kolkata are Indian Museum, St. Paul's Cathedral Church, Victoria Memorial Hall, Zora Sanko Thakurbari, Town Hall, Sahid Minar, Howrah Bridge, Prinsep Ghat, etc. And the last, 7. Describe the climate of Chennai. The answer is the climate of the Chennai is warm all over the year. There is no distinct winter season. The cool breeze of the sea is pleasant here, and most of the rainfall is in the months of December to February. After that, B. Mark the following cities on the map of India given on the next page. First, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. You have to mark these cities on this map, and after that, do this worksheet. Identify the pictures of the famous buildings and places and write their names and cities which they are located. Till then, have a nice day.